Is it true? I can't believe it's a myth. I have spent so many years searching for this specific artifact, and now it is finally here in my hand.
Medabot is now online.